art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Kinger from the amazing digital Circus as a smiling critter. So first let's get started with our left eye. So on the top left hand side we're going to draw in a nice big circle. And then moving across on a diagonal, we're going to replicate this over on the right hand side. Now in the middle we're going to draw in an oval on both eyes. Now let's draw on the top of the head. So for the cross on the top, we're going to draw two diagonal lines that come out. And then on the top, we're going to close this off with a straight line. On either side of this now, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes out. And then on the side again, we're going to draw two straight lines that come down. And then from that point, we're just going to bring two lines that come in towards the middle, leaving a gap. Now from here, we're going to bring two more diagonal lines that come out. And then we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Closing off the top of the head now on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line over. Do the same thing on the right, bringing that around and then down. And then now in the middle, we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Let's frame in the rest of the head now. So coming down, we're going to curve this line around and across towards our right eye. Moving down in towards the middle, stepping further in, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then again on the left, we're going to arch this line all the way around and then in underneath our right eye. Now moving underneath, we're going to draw in a small half circle in the center. And then moving over to the left, on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then back in. Now let's draw on our left hand. So on the top, for the finger, we're going to curve this line around and then down. Stepping underneath, we're going to curve a small line that arches in. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line down. From that point in the middle, we're going to arch this line down. And then from here, we're going to curve this line across with a thumb towards the eye. Underneath, we're going to arch this line up. And then from the side, we're just going to curve this line in towards the middle. Now from the center here, we're going to curve this line around, back in. And then moving across, we're going to curve this around and then up. Now let's draw in the body. So right in the center here, coming over towards the right, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then down towards the bottom. To the right of this now, we're going to arch this line around and then in. On the bottom, we're going to curve this line around, back up. To the side of this now, we're going to arch this line around and then in. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line across towards the right. Now stepping over, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that curves down. And then from that point, we're going to bring this line across. Now from here, we're going to arch a small line that curves over towards the left-hand side, arching that out. And then to the left of this, we're going to curve this line around, in, and then down. On the left-hand side, now we're going to arch this line over and across. And then from that point, we're just going to arch this line back in towards the center. Now from here on the bottom, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Now let's draw on our right hand. So coming further over, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Stepping across this, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then again, one more time, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Now from the point on the top, we're going to arch this line all the way around and then up towards the center. And then moving up again one more time, we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right, arching that around and then down. And then for the wrist on the left-hand side, we're just going to curve this line around and then up. And that is it. That's how you draw Kinger from the amazing digital Circus as a smiling critter. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all in the next one.